JM Tests offers PPE Inventory Rotation Management programs to help keep you and your employees safe while remaining compliant with all OSHA safety standards. This proactive solution takes the headache out of equipment maintenance and procurement by allowing JM to partner with you and optimize your PPE inventory. We can help your team stay compliant and organized with our 7 easy steps. Step 1. JM will verify your upcoming glove rotation information. A JM Test employee will reach out to you 6 weeks before your PPE is due for testing to verify quantities, sizes, names, and other relevant information. Step 2. New gloves are purchased or your rotation is collected. Once collected, quantities are verified and equipment is put on a work order to get ready for the lab process. Step 3. Your equipment is washed, inventoried, and stored in our climate-controlled facility until it is due for testing. We offer optional storage bins for easy transit and storage of your safety equipment, saving you time, money, and storage space. Step 4. PPE is tested by JM's qualified technicians according to ASTM and OSHA standards. After testing, equipment is stamped according to your ID list. Step 5. Your equipment is returned to you ahead of your scheduled rotation date by one of the following methods: shipping directly to your facility or job site, on-site delivery, or pickup at one of our several locations nationwide. Step 6. After you have received your PPE, one of our dedicated team members will contact you to collect your expired equipment by scheduling a pickup or providing you with a return shipping label. We can manage lists for multiple locations and crews. Step 7. The process starts all over. Easy and simple. With our rotation management program and online customer portal, you'll have 24/7 access to download test reports, view your equipment inventory, and perform live status checks. Visit our website today or give us a call to learn more about how JM Tests can help you keep your PPE organized and compliant. JM Test Systems. Test equipment made easy.